Hey guys, it's Zoe. Welcome back to my channel. Today I have another episode of Clearance Cosmetics. I found this Cosmic Glitter eyeshadow palette at Burlington Coat Factory. It is by Beauty Treats, so I bought it for $5.99, and yeah, we're gonna swatch it and see how they perform. Now, right off the bat, when I'm taking it out of the box, it does have some pretty cheap packaging, and it almost looks like kids makeup. So but I bought it because I like those like gel eyeshadows that have glitter in it, so that way you could just pop it on top of your lid as an eyeshadow topper instead of having to do glitter glue and then pigment. I like these because they're already sticky and they stick right on top of your eyeshadow, so that's why I bought it. And it comes with these two like sponge applicators. I'm just gonna take those out because I don't really use them. And I'm not gonna lie, I did dip my finger into a few of these. I was showing a friend, and we swatched a few together, and I didn't want it to change my opinion, but I was a little underwhelmed about this. So yeah, we're just gonna swatch a few. So let's swatch this black one right here. And the first thing I notice is that there's a bunch of glitter just on top of the thing. Like, you need to mix it around in that stickiness or whatever. I wonder if that's just an overspray. No, and it's not just glitter, it's kind of like the gel is colored too. Very underwhelming. So definitely there's like a colored like gel underneath it, and it's very patchy. I wonder if I like dab it, if it'll be like more concentrated. When you dab it, it is like a little bit more concentrated, but like the glitters aren't very shiny. It just looks like black specks. So that was the black one. Oh my gosh, I'm gonna be covered in glitter. Alright, so let's try a different one. Let's try this gold one right here. I am going in and kind of mixing them around. It's like when you mix it in, it's a completely different color. Yeah, and it does have that colored gel. Oh, that one's nice. See, I would use that as like an eyeshadow topper. So that one's nice. I like that. I think I'm just going to go down the line and swatch them all. Alright, we're going in with this blue one. Again, I'm just going to stick my finger in it and kind of mix all of it together, and then I'm going to swatch it. Okay. I just don't know how I feel about that colored gel. I think what I'm going to do, because I have a feeling that some of these are going to be good eyeshadow toppers, but a lot of them are going to be a bust. What I'm going to do is, on the outside of the palette, if it's bad, I'm going to put an X over it. So like this black one was bad. It just looks like black specks. So that one's going to get an X. If I can find a Sharpie. Okay, so I'm back with a Sharpie, and I'm going to X out the ones that are not good. So this black one is bad. This aqua right here, it looks like it has different kind of sparkles in it than just aqua. No, I don't like that one. That one gets an X. So far, feeling a little underwhelmed, especially I feel like there's an overspray, and then what it is just colored gel, and then there's an overspray of glitter. I think that's what this palette is. So we're going to be going in to this purple one right here, mixing it around. Oh, the glitters in that are pretty. See, yeah, the gold, when I compare it, it's like the gold is more, like the gel is more colored, but the other the other gels, they get so clumpy that they overtake the glitter, and when you swatch it, it just looks like clumps of color, so you don't really see the glitter. So that one gets an X. Next we have this one. They're all pretty much doing the same. I'm gonna go through all of them really quick and swatch them, and then I'm gonna show you the ones that are the best. Alright, so I came back and I swatched all of them, and as you can see, there's a lot of X's. So there are only 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There are only 8 shades out of 24 that are good. So, and I'm gonna go ahead and swatch them for you. So yeah, these are, let me see if I can show you. These are the only colors that came out. Okay, the best one out of the whole palette is this bronzy gold one. So I guess I paid $5.99 for that one shade. So as for the Cosmic Glitter palette by Beauty Treats, I would skip on it. It's not really worth it. All of them, or most of them, is just like a colored, faint colored gel with like a glitter overspray. It's like you have to mix the glitters inside of it. So yeah, this palette was kind of a bust. I would just pass on it. Alright guys, well thank you so much for watching, and I hope you enjoy the rest of your day. If you haven't subscribed, I would really appreciate it if you did, and hit that notification bell so you can get more videos like this. Alright, thank you so much for watching. Have a good one guys. Bye.